Hello and welcome back to the Bright Light Wellness YouTube channel. I am so glad that you're here with me today. Today, I came on to share with you about a new course that I have for homeopathy. I am really, really proud of this course. It is so in depth. If you are a parent and you have children, obviously parent children, right? Or if you just want to learn how to treat common ailments with homeopathy, this course is for you. But if you're, especially if you're a parent who, you have children and all these common ailments come up like teething and colic and cuts and bruises and scrapes and pink eye and blah, 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 right? Etc. If you want to know how you can support these with homeopathy in an in-depth course, this is for you. This course comes with a webinar that's 3 hours long of me teaching you the information, and it comes with the Google Slides that come with it as well, which was quite extensive. So you get like a big ebook and you get a 3 hour webinar of me teaching you the content and the information. So what do I go over in this course? The course that I'm talking about, this new course that I've created, I've been working on it for a while, but it's finally finished, and it's called Homeopathic Remedies for Common Childhood Ailments course. So it's all the things that children get and that we usually would have to go to our medical care for or our doctor for. But now you can support these with homeopathy instead. So this course covers or includes the conditions covered are teething, cavities, colic, ear infections, stomach viruses, UTIs, epistaxis, which is bloody noses, wounds, concussions, burns, fevers, nightmares, bites and stings, boils, abscesses, common cold, the flu, croup, coughs, whooping cough, worms, parasites, conjunctivitis, hand, foot, and mouth, which is another word for Coxsackie, is the medical term for that one, impetigo, growing pains, headaches, dyes, sore throats, bedwetting. I'm just double checking that that's everything. I think that's all the things, but it covers so many ailments. And it's really, really imperative that we use homeopathy instead of allopathy to support our common or acute ailments, because when we treat with homeopathy, we are actually supporting the body, right? We are actually up leveling the health, right? We improve your level of health and we improve your immune system. We reverse genetic predispositions. There are no side effects. It's literally long-lasting results and reduces your susceptibility. And it treats the totality of the symptoms on the physical, mental, emotional, and it actually reverses the damage done by allopathic medicine. So we want to avoid allopathic medicine, so we avoid the damage that's done by allopathic medicine, and we want to use this safe, gentle, effective care option, especially if you're a parent, because every time we take a suppressive therapy, it literally places a brick on our vital force and immune system. It's like a blockage. I used this example the other day. It's like literally you're trying to shove everything under the carpet, right? And then you go to vacuum the carpet and there's you can't get over it because there's all these bumps, right? It's literally like blockages in your body's ability to heal. And allopathic medicine pushes pathology deeper into the body. I go over this in the course more, but it's just a much better option. It's a safer, gentle, effective option without side effects, without toxicity. I wish I would have known about homeopathy when I was a little girl. My parents would have, because I always wonder what would have happened is if my UTIs were treated with homeopathy instead of allopathy, I would have reduced my susceptibility. I wouldn't have destroyed my gut microbiome from years and years of antibiotics, and I would have probably been in a lot healthier state. And the trajectory of my life would have been completely different, because I don't know if I would have got chronic disease as I got older. Maybe I wouldn't be here doing this though. So everything's meant to be. But that's my point, is that when we treat with homeopathy instead of allopathy, we really are up leveling the body's health because you do the healing. So basically what it does is, instead of just suppressing symptoms, your body actually has to up level, and homeopathy is that catalyst. It's like that nudge that helps your body up level, which sometimes means an increase in symptomology because the symptoms are the healing. It's the discharge, the expelling, the removing, right? The fever, the runny nose, the green snot, the phlegm comes out, the diarrhea comes out, whatever the body needs to expel happens, right? But it does this, and when you do that, when your symptoms ramp up, your immune system actually strengthens, right? So it's like giving your immune system a workout, and then your body is actually stronger on the other side. So it's really important, and it's really a big passion of mine, because I don't want children to unfortunately be, you know, their health be compromised in the future because of taking so much suppressive medications. And of course, there is a time and a place for Western medication. There are emergency situations, but many things can be supported and rectified with homeopathy. So all of the things that I mentioned before, like, people don't realize it, but all of those things I mentioned that can treat this course can treat, like teething and cavities and colic and ear infection, stomach viruses, impetigo, all these things, growing pains, sore throat, bedwetting. This has a mental emotional component. Nightmare is a mental emotional component. Burns, we consider the mental emotional component when it comes to homeopathy also, which actually really does matter. And it supports you on that level as well. So you're much more supported because you're supporting the mental emotional level. So I just was looking over the course, and it's, let's see, 10. So it's 41 pages, the ebook, and it's an extensive covering of how to support these ailments with homeopathy. So I just wanted to share that with you, that this new offering is available. I mean, I highly recommend, this course. It's probably my most extensive course in homeopathy so far. I do have other courses as well for homeopathy. So I have courses not only on this one, which is called Homeopathic Remedies for Common Childhood Ailments course. This covers over 50 remedies with over a 3-hour webinar. And again, I teach you what are the remedies for sore throat and how do I differentiate between which remedy to give my child. Is it on the left? Is it on the right? Is it going back and forth between left and right? Is it center? Is it purple? Is it red? Is there pus? Like, all these things. Like, I teach you how to choose the right remedy, because if you don't choose the right remedy, you're not going to get anywhere. Choosing the right remedy is the most important piece. So I teach you how to do that. Homeopathy only works if you get the right remedy, and it only resonates if it matches the vibration of your disease that you're experiencing, or the symptomology that you're experiencing. So anyway, I have this course, but I also have my ear infection course, which goes over 20 remedies with a 2-hour video or webinar. I have my acute cystitis course, which is cystitis, UTIs, kidney infections. It covers all of that, basically. Over 30 remedies covered with 2 hours as well. And my influenza course, which will be on sale soon for the winter Black Friday sale, 20 remedies covered with 2-hour webinar and printout. And then another great course, which I get a lot of good feedback on, is my homeopathic remedies for first aid care. That is 30 remedies with over 30 remedies covered with a 2-hour video. And that covers insect bites. There was some overlap in insect bites and stings, snake bites, lacerations, bruises, strokes, concussions, comas, bloody noses, burns, sunburns, heat stroke, fractures, muscle and joint pains and strains, shock, collapse, angina, heart attack, animal bites, rabies, after surgery support, food poisoning, and headaches. And then I also want to let you know that there is a bundle deal, and I did not raise the prices on it, but I included my new course. So the bundle deal, you used to get 4 of my homeopathy courses. Now you get all 5 at a discounted rate. I did not increase the price for now. I probably will soon, but for now I left it the same, and I'm just going to include all of the courses for you guys, because it's really a big passion of mine for people to understand how to treat, their acutes and support their body with homeopathy instead of going to allopathic medicine. So you get all the courses, like I said, with this discounted bundle rate. And yeah, I would highly recommend that. That would be my choice, because it's a huge savings, because I think that's $97, and just the new course I made alone is $49, and the cystitis course is $44. So you're basically covering that, and you're getting like 3 courses for free. So it's a really, really, really good deal. So anyway, I hope that's helpful, supportive. If you have any questions, drop them below. Let me know what you want to know more about. I'm here for you guys. And I guess, we'll go from there. Let me know your questions. Let me know if there's a course that you want me to make. There's something that you want me to cover that I haven't covered yet. I can make sure I add that, and I can make a course on it, or I can do some teaching and learning about it even here on my YouTube channel. And just let me know how else I can best support you guys. Okay. You can reach me at contact@brightlightwellnesscoach.com, or that's my email, or you can just head to my website, brightlightwellnesscoach.com, to purchase these. Links will be in the bio below, so you can obviously purchase them there as well. All right. Have an amazing day, and I will chat with you guys on the next video.